mm, of so we're gonna make a game of something today, and you know what game are we making? We're gonna make a squirrel, no, like a pen drawing tool. Actually, a squirrel, and that guy, the squirrel, is gonna use this funny tool and drawing, and he's gonna use that in the game. So let's start. Whoa, I did a little mistake. Let's go back, and I'll go here, and here, and finally over there. Great, so now we got this funny shaped thing, and we need to color it a different color, and we want it blue, so we can just dye it blue. But we don't see it, and we need another one of it, so let's just go minus a little, like enough minus, and then select the whole thing, and then copy and paste another one, and after we paste the other one, we can bring it here and turn it the right way, like this, I think so, and drag it all the way here, right here. It's perfect. And then we'll leave it here, and we got our thing. But it's not so big, so let's make it the size of 45 or something. No, that's too small. We'll try 900. Yeah, perfect. So our blue square thing is ready. But actually, I don't want to draw. I don't want to use a squirrel with it. I just want to like draw with it. But how will we draw with this thing? Good question. We'll have to go here, and there's lots of different options. But we don't need any of these options, actually. We only need pen draw with your sprites. So you just click on that, and everything will come. These green tools, and we'll take change pen size by 1, and change pen color by 10, and we'll put 100. And pen down. And when the green flag's clicked, it should erase up. And let's go to control and take a forever loop here, and let's test it out. And when the starting, it should be 10, and let's click the green flag and start back. And then start all over again. How did the screen start glowing? Erase all, erase all. Good. Oh, it's 100. We should put 1. That should work. Change change pen size. Oh, let's go to control and take some weights. Go to random position and choose mouse pointer. Wait, let's start. Oh, everything's so big. Maybe we should just try this first. Let's try. How come? Oh yeah, let's pen erase all. Good. Now pen down and change pen color by 10. Or set pen color to 50 and set pen color to 60. And let's go control forever when the green flag's clicked. And motions go to random position and choose mouse pointer. And point towards mouse pointer and we'll put that there. Whoa, what is happening? Why is the pen size so big? Set pen size to 1 forever. Erase all. Yep, we're drawing. Perfect. Now we're drawing. But we can't keep control, so we need pen up when the sprites clicked. Events when the sprites clicked. So, pen erase all. What? It's not working. The pen's not going up. Oh yeah, it's going up. Wow, you can move the sprite. But it keeps doing this forever. So, we don't want it forever. If then, and sensing, touching mouse pointer. Otherwise, see, it's not working. Oh no, we don't need that. It will not work. And we can put a forever loop, then it might work. See? It stops for us automatically. So we don't need this. So if it's touching, then it can move. If I'm out, it stops. Amazing. So you can keep control now. It's going to be easier. See? It's totally slower. I'm keeping control. Wow. Yep, it works much better because it keeps stopping. And when you click the green flag, a blank page is ready. And that's how you draw with pen. With your pen blocks over here. And it's actually very simple using the pen because you can use most of these blocks and some other blocks.